Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So I want to add a pop of color in my space just for spring. I just took all of my Christmas themes out and I want to give my room a refresh. So I usually keep it pretty neutral, but I picked up these florals from Michael's probably a few years ago, and I'm going to use them today because I think the color goes really good with the taupe and the chocolate.
Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could have had it all, but you pushed me right into it.
At the moment, I really like it. I think it's really cozy. And I'm not sure if it's gonna stay because the coffee table is one area that I do like to change up, but for right now I am loving it.
Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late.
One of my first favorites of the season is Starfruit Sangria. It smells really good. It just smells like if you're used to sangria wine, but it's a little bit sweeter. I love Tiki Beach. Tiki Beach is just a nice calming scent. If you don't get to find Fiji White Sands, Tiki Beach is a good alternative for that. And speaking of Fiji White Sands, I actually have it because it is #1 on my list. I absolutely love this scent. It's so calming. If you're not into fruity smells, then you'll like this. It's just a really, really nice, calming home scent. If you're into fruity scents, you'll want to get Pink Pineapple Sunrise. It smells exactly like what it says. It's a mixture, to me, of pineapple, a little bit of maybe peach, but it smells really, really good, really, really fresh. Another fruity scent that I love is Watermelon Lemonade. It's self-explanatory. It smells like a mix of watermelon and lemonade, but it smells amazing. I think I'm about to burn this one now. Last but not least, we have Peach Bellini. Peach Bellini is an oldie but goodie. It just smells like Georgia peaches. It smells fresh, like fresh peaches. Love this scent. Will always love this scent. And then I also have Pineapple Mango. It's so sweet and so pretty. So romantic. We got roses. I'm in the car. We're on our way to dinner, Valentine's dinner. It's Saturday night. My babe, he had to work late yesterday. So, of course, I got my Valentine's stuff, which you guys saw when we exchanged Valentine's Day presents. But tonight is actual date night, and I'm excited. So I have on my red dress. Jalen slicked my hair up, guys, into this cute little ball. She did a really good job, And now we're just waiting. So we're going to this restaurant. I'm not sure. I think he said it's called MCK. I've never been there before. I didn't know where we were going until tonight. He kept it a surprise, and he had already made reservations and everything at like 2 spots just in case. He never knows what his schedule is going to be from week to week, so he had made reservations at 2 spots. This was the earlier one, so we decided, okay, like, yeah, we'll go with the earlier one. It just makes more sense. So our reservation is at 8:45. It's 8 o'clock. I think we have to go down into Buckhead, Atlanta. That's where it is, so we should be good. I'm about 30 minutes outside of that. So
Publix proudly celebrates Black History Month with a story.
Turn car off. Okay. Getting some gas. Y'all see my man back there? He all dressed up. Y'all, his nice outfit. I don't know if y'all can see him. Y'all see him looking all fun in his sexy outfit. Yeah, I'm so excited. I love date night, especially when I get to dress up and be all girly and feminine and stuff. So I'll holler at you guys when we get there. It's raining, it's cold, and it's wet, but well, let me not say it's raining, it's drizzling. It's been wet all weekend and we knew that, so but that don't stop nothing. A little rain don't stop no show. Oh, I gotta tell you guys real quickly, did you guys see my, I don't know if I might put it in here, I might not, I don't know, but before we came, you know, we had to take showers and everything, so he set up this really romantic bubble bath for me to just have all to myself. Had rose petals on the floor, it was rose petals in the tub, wine and everything. It was just so cute, so romantic. How's the board? Say what's up, baby.
What's up?
All right, I'll holler at y'all when we get to the restaurant.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Baby, come let down your guard.
Hey guys, what's good? Happy Saturday. It's a beautiful weekend. It is the Super Bowl weekend actually, so I'm sitting outside of Hobby Lobby. My cousin's hosting a Super Bowl party tomorrow. I'm gonna try to take some decorations over there. I'm gonna see what Hobby Lobby has for Super Bowl, and then I'm gonna go over here to Dollar Tree. And also I need to see what they got for spring, because the Christmas stuff is finally down. Yes, first week of February, it just all came down last week. You guys saw me taking it down, so all the Christmas stuff is down. So now I need to, like, basically, I guess, re-implement things in my space to make it not empty, because the spring stuff that I had before, I don't know, I just don't know, I'm not really feeling it or whatever. So we just gonna do a little revamp, a little refresh, spring refresh, that's what it is. So that's the whole goal of going up in here today. Y'all, I went and got my nails done and I got them blue. Now granted, Valentine's Day is next weekend. I totally forgot about Valentine's Day. I don't know why. I shouldn't, because I actually have a Valentine. But I forgot, and my nails are blue, and they gonna stay blue. Like, they should be pink or red, but it's okay. It is what it is. Anyway, too, and then I'm meeting my cousin's fiance at the venue for their wedding. I'm decorating their wedding, which is in May. So we're meeting at the venue in about an hour, so I don't have that long to be up in here. And I'm hungry. Y'all, it's a lot going on. I'm hungry, but I went and bought a McFlurry. A McFlurry. First thing I put on my stomach today is a McFlurry. So me and my McFlurry about to go walk around Hobby Lobby, and hopefully I come out a success. Anyway, all right, y'all, let's get this thing started. The sun is out, y'all. You see, I have on short sleeve in February. The weather, I'm loving the weather, y'all. I am loving this weather. The snow left and the sun came. They have all this cute Super Bowl stuff. And then they have these. I'm gonna get these to put chips in. Everything's on sale, 40% off. So I'm gonna get some of these cups, yard line cups. These are cute. Touchdown plate. Okay, all right, y'all, so I found what I needed for the Super Bowl. I don't know what the lighting is like. Hold on. It's fine. Jalen needs bananas. I buy bananas and they just go bad. I think I'm gonna take them out. I need to take these Christmas florals down, but because Valentine's Day is this upcoming weekend, I figured I'd just keep the red florals, totally fine. And then after this weekend, I'll get rid of these and switch them out to my white ones. Anyway, so for the Super Bowl, Dollar Tree had these cute football tablecloths. And my aunt is hosting. I don't know if I said that, so I'm gonna take these over to her house. I was gonna do something small here, but I'm gonna take them over there. I did end up buying these plates. Well, these are like some football, what are you, football bowls for chips. It's 2. Yeah, it looks like it's 2 in a pack, so these will be for the chips. That's some miscellaneous mess. I got ground turkey for the rotel. The Velveeta blocks, the big large blocks were on sale for $7.99, so I got a big Velveeta block. And 2 original cans of rotel. I usually do 1 original can and 1 hot, but my boyfriend does not like spicy food, so we're gonna keep it mild, I guess. I like me some spicy rotel, but anyway, I'll just add a little cayenne pepper in my bowl, I guess. And a Sprite Zero sugar because I'm addicted to these. And I add a little bit of grenadine to them. So good. So, so this is all trash. Alright guys, we headed to the Super Bowl party finally.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why.
Oh, he said his name. Oh, he said his name. Do the This Not Like Us dance. But it's probably A minor. They not like us. That's the real one. I'm about to make another lemon drop. Kill these. Call it! Philadelphia!